The live look of the Pixel 7 and the 7 Pro is here. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, as you know that the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro are the flagship level devices coming from Google in the month of October, and Google already confirmed both of these devices on their Google I/O event. Basically, Google themselves showcased the teaser of the Pixel 7 series, which confirms the back design of the upcoming Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. Other than that, no major information has been given by Google about the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. Well, today we have got another leak in which someone lists the Pixel 7 on eBay listing to sell this device. Google is not a company which keeps its secrets long when it comes to its smartphone. Last year it happens the same, that Pixel 6 series was on sale in a different platform. Now this year is not different, and this new eBay listing has been showcasing us the design of the upcoming Pixel 7 both from the front and the back, and even on the sides of the device has been confirmed and give us a live look of the upcoming Pixel 7 device. Also, this listing confirms the camera samples for the Pixel 7 Pro and how this device is going to be looking in terms of its camera sample. And the listing that has appeared confirms that this is the prototype of the Pixel 7 device, because the Google logo which appeared confirms that it is kind of a prototype device. The Pixel 7 back panel has been appeared, which confirms that there is going to be a ring around the camera sensor. Along with that, we also see the color of the upcoming Pixel 7, which is in line with the teaser that has been appeared on Google I/O. Moving forward, the leak also confirmed the front panel of the Pixel 7. Basically, this new front display is going to be having slimmer bezel as compared to the last year Pixel 6 device, which is going to be an improvement from the last year. And the front of the display is also coming with the in-display fingerprint scanner support. Along with that, the leak also confirmed there is going to be the base storage variant of 128GB. And if we look at the back panel, it's going to be glossy as well, which means that the gloss back is still here. The camera bump on the back side is going to be different this time around. Rather than having a black bar on the back side on the camera bump, it's going to be looking like a metallic bar, which is going to be looking a nicer design as compared to the black glossy camera back, which was looking bad. Also, the camera sample for the Pixel 7 Pro has appeared, and in fact, as you can see in the images, the picture that has been taken, as you can see in the images, the person which has listed the Pixel 7 on eBay also have the prototype for the Pixel 7 Pro, and all those images that have you seen in this particular video are taken with the Pixel 7 Pro, which looks like great images as you can see here. And the Pixel 7 Pro will be coming with a new processor this time around, and it's going to be based on the 4nm architecture instead of the 5nm, which was coming for the last year Pixel 6's devices, which means that there is going to be a significant improvement in terms of the performance, and the battery consumption for the Pixel 7 series will be lower. And Samsung is going to be making this chipset for Google devices, which is obviously not a surprise. And we also got the information about the display for the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro a few days back, which confirms that both the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro will be coming with exact same display as the last year Pixel 6 series, so nothing changed in terms of their display as well. And guys, these are some of the information about the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.